There are a lot of channels that don't appear in the Roku channel store, which are called private channels. These private channels are hidden from the general public because they're either in beta, some require a membership, and some offer the types of content Roku does not want to be available to the public in their store.
You want to install. There are several places to get the codes. I'll show you two of my favorites near the end of this video. Once you have your code, you'll need to log into the Roku website since the code can't be directly added to your device. In the far right on the upper banner, select My Account. Enter your email and password, and then sign in. Near the middle of the next page, under Manage Account, select Add Channel with a Code. This is where you'll type the private channel access code. The private channels that are available can change all the time. I'll use the channel code for Nowhere TV, which has been popular for a long time. And that one is H9DWC. When you're done, select Add Channel. You'll get this warning from Roku that you should read over. To my knowledge, they've never enforced this, but it doesn't mean they won't. If you want to continue, select OK. Then on the next screen, select Yes, Add Channel. This page will let you know that channels will appear in your lineup within 24 hours when it automatically checks for updates. If you don't want to wait and have the channel installed immediately, navigate to Settings, System, System Update, and check Now to immediately install your private Roku channel.